The world of emerging technologies is in the state of constant flux. With the platforms and applications evolving at an overwhelming speed, supporting development and methodologies have also undergone a sea change over the last 10 years. DevOps has taken over the digital economy, and the demand for DevOps experts across the various roles is witnessing a steady spike. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the session. Today's session is all about DevOps engineers and their roles and responsibilities. Through this session, we will understand who DevOps engineers are, why do we need them, and what are their roles and responsibilities. Well, if you love watching videos like these, then subscribe to Edureka's YouTube channel and click the bell button to never miss out any updates from us. If you're interested in developing a flourishing DevOps career, the time is now to get well curated with DevOps certification training. And if you have made up your mind to obtain Edureka's DevOps certification course, then please see the link in the description below. Now let's start with our session by understanding who is a DevOps engineer. Well, a DevOps engineer is a professional who works at the intersection of software development and the IT operations with the goal of streaming the software delivery process and improving the reliability and scalability of the software system. It involves the combination of technical skills such as automation, cloud computing, and containerization, as well as the collaboration and communication skills to ensure that the software development and deployment are integrated and efficient. Now, we know that what is a DevOps engineer. Now, why do we need them? Well, there are various reasons why DevOps training is highly recommended these days. DevOps engineers play a crucial role in the software development by bridging the gap between the development and the operations team. They are responsible for automating and streaming the software development process, ensuring that the code can be built, tested, and deployed quickly and reliably. By implementing DevOps practices and tools, DevOps engineers can help teams deliver software more rapidly with higher quality and great efficiency, while they can also improve collaboration and communication between the team members. Well, according to the reports, the global DevOps market is expected to grow at the compound annual growth at 18.95% over the next few years, reaching $12.2 billion by 2026. It is also said that the global DevOps market is projected to grow at a CAGR of 19.12% and is expected to reach $24,654.86 million by 2030. If we talk in terms of salary, then DevOps engineers are highly demanded in countries like India and US. In India, the DevOps engineer's salary ranges between 4 lakhs to 13 lakhs per annum with an annual average salary of 6 lakhs per annum. And these estimates are based on 45.5 thousand latest salaries received from DevOps engineers. Now, if we talk about United States, the average salary of a DevOps engineer in United States is around $113,017 per annum. They also get an additional compensation of around $16,929 per annum, which sums up around $149,946,000 per annum. Well, these salaries are based on the responses gathered by anonymous DevOps engineers across the United States. Now we understood why do we need DevOps engineers. Well, many of us must have a question that is the DevOps team new? Well, DevOps engineering is not a new team, rather a role that an individual from a different background and teams within an organization can fill. For example, a software developer may transition into a DevOps role, or even a system administrator may take on DevOps responsibilities. However, some companies may create dedicated DevOps teams that are responsible for ensuring that the organization's software development and deployment processes follow DevOps principle. Now it's time to get to know the roles and responsibilities of a DevOps engineer. The key roles and responsibilities of a DevOps engineer are as follows. First is collaboration and communication. DevOps engineers must be excellent communicators and collaborators, as they act as in lines between the different teams. They are responsible for fostering a culture of collaboration and promoting agile methodologies. Next is continuous integration and delivery. DevOps engineers are responsible for automating the entire software development pipeline from code, commit to deployment. They use various tools and technologies to automate the build, test, and deployment process, resulting in faster time to market. Next is infrastructure management. DevOps engineers are responsible for designing, implementing, and managing the cloud based infrastructure. They ensure that the infrastructure is scalable, fault tolerant, and highly available. They also ensure that the infrastructure is secure and compliant with the industry standards. Last but not the least is monitoring and logging. DevOps engineers are responsible for monitoring the entire software stack, ensuring that the application is performing as expected. They use various monitoring and logging tools to track the health of the application. Lastly, is the security and compliance. DevOps engineers are responsible for ensuring that the application is secure and compliant with the industry standards. They work closely with the security teams to identify potential vulnerabilities and implement measures to mitigate them. There are other job roles in DevOps, such as DevOps evangelists. The DevOps evangelists are the principal officers responsible for implementing DevOps. Their role is to educate and raise awareness about the benefits of DevOps, such as improved collaboration and communication between the development and operations team, faster delivery of high quality software, and increased agility and responsiveness to changing businesses' requirements. Apart from that, there are few other job roles like release manager. Well, the release manager is responsible for coordinating and managing the release of software products, including planning, scheduling, and overseeing the entire release process. Next, we have automation expert. These are responsible for achieving automation and orchestration of tools. Whereas if we talk about software developers or testers, they are the ones who develop code and test it. There are also quality assurance who ensures the quality of the product and confirms its requirement. We also have security engineer who are responsible for monitoring the product security and health. So these are the different job roles in DevOps. Now let's see what are the top skills required for a DevOps engineer. As we know, a DevOps engineer is responsible for managing the development and deployment of software applications. In that case, a DevOps engineer requires a broad range of technical and non technical skills. Some of the key skills are: first is technical skills, where DevOps engineers must have the experience with cloud computing platforms such as AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. They must be proficient in one or more programming languages such as Python, Java, or Ruby. They should also have the knowledge of automation tools such as Ansible, Chef, or Puppet. And they also must have the understanding of containerization technologies such as Docker and Kubernetes. They must also be familiar with version control systems such as Git. Apart from technical skills, they should also have some collaboration and communication skills where they must have the ability to work effectively in a team environment, have a strong verbal and written communication skills, have an experience in agile methodologies and working in fast-paced environment. They should also have the ability to provide technical leadership to development teams. They should have a continuous improvement mindset, that is the ability to continuously improve process and systems. They should have an understanding of metrics and monitoring to measure system performance, and implementing and managing continuous integration and continuous deployment pipeline. Overall, a DevOps engineer must be able to collaborate the cross-functional teams, automate manual process, and improve the efficiency and quality of software development and deployment. Next top skill is problem solving and analytical skills. Here, DevOps engineers must be analytical and have a strong problem solving skills. They should have the ability to identify and resolve issues quickly. and must have experience with performance tuning and optimization. So, this was all in this session. If you have any doubts and queries, then please leave your comments down below. Until then, happy learning.
I hope you have enjoyed listening to this video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries, and we will reply them at the earliest. Do look out for more videos in our playlist and subscribe to Edureka channel to learn more. Happy learning!